Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the 8 different state universities, and few are the permanent vacancies and few are the contractual based vacancies. The total 3284 vacant positions are there, and from all over the India you may apply from any state, guys. And as per the assistant professor level 10 category, the salary is 1,82,400 rupees per month up to. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications, the two university job notifications in this pandemic situation, which will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects or else if your job requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different state universities recruitment notification. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So in the Still Outlook website, here we got this article, guys, that is the 8 state universities recruiting the 3284 faculty positions, and in that one 3037 assistant professor vacancies are there. So in this video I am going to show you what are the list of universities and what are the application last date, and few in brief details I will give. So if you want to know the complete details regarding any one state university, you have to visit the official website of that one. Okay. So coming to the list of the universities, you may check down. As on 6th November 2021, the total 6 state government universities controlled by various state government in India that have opened the faculty recruitment window, and these posts are available for the positions of professor, associate and the assistant professor level vacancies. And next, the total number of posts are 3134 posts in these state universities, and out of this one 3037 are the assistant professor vacancies are there. And coming to the list of the state universities, here you may check down. So Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Rohilkhand University Bareilly, total 99 faculty positions are there, and the last date is the 14th November 2021. Next one is the Doon University Dehradun, 51 faculty positions, 24 November 2021 is the last date. And Sri Dev Suman Uttarakhand University, 44 faculty positions, so 15th November is the last date. And next one is the Department of Higher Education Punjab, 1091 assistant professor vacancies are there. 8th November is the last date. And the Cotton University Guwahati, 39 faculty positions are there. 30th November is the last date by email, and by post 10th December. Odisha Public Service Commission OPSC, total 606 assistant professor vacancies are there. 25th November is the last date. Next one is the Karnataka Examination Authority, 1242. Already this date was completed yesterday. And anyhow, please once visit the official website, is there any extension of the date is there or not. And next one is the University of Kashmir, 112 faculty positions are there. 8th November is the last date after extension. Fine. So total these are the different list of the 8 state universities, guys. And here the in brief details are given here. So you may check down. In Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Rohilkhand University, so assistant professor 44 vacancies are there. Fine. And the closing date of the online application form is 12th November 2021. And coming to the Doon University, assistant professor 25 positions are there. And date of uploading the advertisement online 25th October, and the closing date is the 24th. Printout application form has to be submitted by the 30th November 2021. Coming to the Sri Dev Suman Uttarakhand University, 22 assistant professor vacancies are there, and the closing date is the 15th November. Actually, it is a re-advertisement of the teaching faculty. And in the Department of Higher Education Punjab, okay, 1091 assistant professor vacancies as well as the 67 librarian vacancies are also there. So you may go to the official website of the Department of Higher Education Punjab. And coming to the Cotton University Guwahati, So in this one, total 7 assistant professor vacancies are there, and the application fee is a little bit high in this one. Total 2,000 rupees for general OBC and MOBC, and 1,000 rupees for these categories. Okay, and OPSC 606 assistant professor vacancies for the government colleges in India. So here the huge number of vacancies are there, guys. So the interested candidates may once check the OPSC. But here the point is that under the OPSC, the candidate must belong to that state only. Okay, other state are not eligible to apply. And coming to the Karnataka government recruiting 1,240 assistant professor vacancies for first degree colleges via KEA. So for this one also, the candidate must belong to that particular domicile or else to that area, to that Karnataka area. And here few key dates are also provided here. And coming to the University of Kashmir, total here the professor as well as associate professor vacancies are there. Assistant professor vacancies are not mentioned in this one. Okay, so these are the key dates. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, guys. It will be very much helpful to them. If your subjects are not covered, please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. Okay, and to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merge cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else the paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.